everyone, this is Chandan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Department of Mathematics. Today, topic is we are going to discuss that complex matrices. Under the complex matrices, unitary matrix. Before going to discuss the unitary matrices, in the last classes we discussed based upon the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Now we are going to discuss that once again. What is the meaning of the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix? The meaning of the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix is nothing but, according to by the definition of the conjugate, it is nothing but whenever the given matrix is A, when we are going to applying the conjugate, it is nothing but the interchanging that complex value that plus is equal to I is equal to minus I and minus I is equal to plus I. And again, after getting that conjugate, again when you are applying like conjugate of whole transpose, this is nothing but it is called as a conjugate of a transpose of a matrix, and which is equal to denoted a power of theta. Otherwise, it is a given matrix is a, first of all we need to applying the transpose, and again after that you need to applying that is a transpose. That means by applying the transpose and after that by applying the conjugate, and this is also the meaning of conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. Therefore, according to by the definition of here, the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix is equal to the transpose of a conjugate of a matrix, and which is denoted, the symbol is a power of theta. Therefore, the theta is nothing but conjugate of a transpose of a matrix, otherwise the transpose of a conjugate of a matrix, and which is also sometimes denoted the symbol of either a power theta, otherwise a power of that is a star. That star is also nothing but the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. And based upon this conjugate of a transpose of a matrix, next we are going to discuss the Hermitian matrix. The Hermitian matrix is also nothing but a square matrix is said to be Hermitian such that a power of theta is equal to that is a A. That is the meaning of a power theta is equal to A. Otherwise, this is also indirectly that A bar is equal to A transpose. That means if the condition the given matrix is a satisfied the square matrix as well as a power theta is equal to A, such type of the matrix is called as a Hermitian matrix. And continuation of the Hermitian matrix, and similarly one other the definition, that is a Hermitian skew Hermitian matrix. The skew Hermitian matrix is also whenever the given matrix is a square matrix, and again such that a power theta is equal to that is a negative of the given matrix. Otherwise, this is also denoted in symbolically, that is a bar is equal to the negative of A transpose. Otherwise, that is A transpose is equal to the negative of the given matrix. Therefore, this is the definition of the skew Hermitian matrices. These are the three definitions which are very important under the complex matrices. One is a conjugate transpose of a matrix, and second one is a Hermitian matrix, and third one is a skew Hermitian matrix. And coming to point, today we are going to discuss that is a based upon the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix, that is discussing that is a unitary matrix. The unitary matrix is nothing but the given matrix is satisfied, that is a square matrix, and moreover if it is a such that that is a power theta into A is equal to I. This is called as a unitary matrix. Otherwise, that A into A power theta is equal to I is also satisfied, then A is said to be that is a unitary matrix. And conclusion of these two definitions, therefore, if a square matrix A is said to be unitary such that A power theta into A is equal to A into A power theta is equal to I. Otherwise, in other ways, based upon the condition of A power theta is equal to A, which we will write that is A bar is equal to that is a power of transpose. Why? Because that according to the meaning of a power theta is equal to that is a conjugate of whole transpose. By using this one, when we are applying, it is a power theta is equal to in this equation, you get a bar is equal to a power theta is a condition. Therefore, if a square matrix A is said to be the unitary matrix, the condition is a into a power theta is equal to I is a condition. And based upon this is the unitary matrix, now we are going to discuss one of the property, that is the given matrix A is the inverse of a unitary, then the matrix is satisfied the unitary matrix. By the definition of here, if it is A is said to be satisfied, that is a unitary matrix, therefore it is A into A power theta is equal to I. Based upon this one, here we need that inverse of a unitary. According to the inverse of a unitary is nothing but by applying on both sides, that is a inverse with respect to, therefore A into A inverse whole inverse is equal to, that is a I inverse. And by using this one, again according to the property of AB whole inverse is equal to, we need to consider that is a power theta of whole inverse into, that is a inverse is equal to I is a value. Since AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse, and again I inverse is equal to the inverse of the matrix is always, that is I. Therefore, with the help of this condition, once again if it is a consider A power theta whole inverse is equal to, that is A inverse of whole power theta, and second term is A inverse is as this, that is equal to I. Therefore, while we are observing this one, it is a inverse of the matrix whole power theta into A inverse is equal to I. This is the meaning of A inverse is equal to unitary. Why? Because in place of A is equal to A inverse, which is clearly satisfied, therefore A inverse whole power theta into A inverse is equal to I. Therefore, it is a matrix is said to be that A is the inverse of a unitary matrix is also, that is a unitary matrix. And second one, based upon this is the unitary matrix, one other important property, the transpose of a unitary matrix is also, that is a unitary. Similarly, it is also, if it is a consider A is a unitary, therefore A into A power theta is equal to A power theta into A is equal to, that is a value of I. And here we need to similarly in the previous property, it is a unitary matrix is required the unitary, but in this unitary we need that transpose of the unitary matrix. Therefore, according to the transpose of the unitary, that is nothing but by applying the definition of the unitary, we need to applying the transpose on both sides, that is nothing but A into A power theta of whole power theta transpose is equal to, similarly the right side A power theta into A of whole transpose is equal to, that is a I transpose. By using this one, according to here, similarly, what is the property? We know that AB of whole transpose is equal to, that is a B transpose into, that is a A transpose. By using this one, it is a is equal to A and B is equal to A power of theta. According to by using this is the property of AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Here we need to write that is a B transpose. The B is nothing but it is A power theta. Therefore, A power theta of whole transpose into, that here A is equal to A. Therefore, A transpose. And coming to second point, that is here B is equal to, that is A power transpose. Therefore, A power of transpose. And here A is equal to A power theta of whole transpose. Here I transpose is always, that is a I. Why? Because the unit matrix, the transpose of the unit matrix is always, that is a unit matrix. Therefore, once again it is a power theta whole transpose is nothing but A transpose of whole power of theta. Why? Because it is a given matrix A power of theta whole transpose is equal to, here first we need to apply the transpose and after you need to apply the conjugate. Both are the same, you get the condition. Therefore, it is a transpose whole power theta into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A power transpose of whole power theta is equal to I. Therefore, conclusion of this one, here according to the definition of the unitary, it is A into A power theta into A power theta into A is equal to I. But here finally in this equation we obtain in place of A is equal to A transpose. Therefore, it is clearly satisfied A is equal to A transpose, and here also A is equal to A transpose, and here also the second one is also A is equal to A transpose, and the second equation that is also A is equal to A transpose. Therefore, based upon this is the condition, here A transpose is also satisfied the unitary matrix. Therefore, it is a condition of, that is a transpose of a unitary matrix is a, that is a unitary matrix. And next one, that is a unitary matrix, one of the simple example. Here, if the given matrix A is equal to 1 by 2 into, that is a 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I, and the last two value, that is 1 plus I. And we need to show that this is the matrix is a unitary. And according to the definition of the unitary matrix, if you are saying something, the definition of the unitary, it is nothing but For example, you consider A is a unitary. By the definition of the unitary matrix, A into A power theta is equal to, that is a I. Therefore, we want to prove that whether this condition is satisfied or not. Due to that reason, here the given matrix is clearly A is a matrix. Therefore, in this equation A is equal to, now we want to find out what is the value of A power theta. Therefore, that A power theta is nothing but the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. Otherwise, we know that previously that is A transpose of, that is a conjugate of a matrix. Now we need to find out what is a power of theta, and A power theta is nothing but, first of all, it is a given matrix is a A condition. Therefore, it is a, from the A matrix we need to find out what is a conjugate of a matrix. That conjugate is nothing but, we know that interchange, whether it is a complex value, it is a plus is equal to minus, and again minus is equal to plus value in presence of I coefficient. Therefore, here A is the matrix is a 1 by 2 into the first element is 1 plus I. By applying the conjugate, we need to change, that is a 1 minus I, and again the second value is also given the matrix is a 1 minus I. By applying the conjugate, it is equal to 1 plus I is a value, and second row first element it is a 1 minus I is a given value, but by applying this one it is a 1 minus I is changed to, that is a 1 plus I. And similarly the second row and the second column, the element is a 1 plus I is a given, but by applying the conjugate, therefore we need to get, that is a 1 minus I is a value. Therefore, it is a conjugate of a matrix. And after getting this is a conjugate of a matrix, then once again you need to apply, that is a conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. Therefore, by the definition of the transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchange the rows and columns is equal to change it. Therefore, here the rows is a 1 minus I. Therefore, by applying the transpose, it is a 1 minus I, and again 1 plus I is a value. And similarly, the second row is also, by interchanging the row is equal to column, it will becomes to like 1 plus I, and again 1 minus I is a value. Therefore, this is the meaning of it is equal to A power of theta. Now, we need to find out after getting that A power theta, but we need to show that this is the matrix is a unitary matrix. And according to the definition, A into A power theta is equal to, we need to show that I. Therefore, the product of A into A power theta, that is nothing but A is equal to, that is a given matrix 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I, 1 plus I. And the A power theta is nothing but, we got it here, this is the A power theta value. Therefore, 1 by 2 into, that is 1 minus I, 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Therefore, the product of this A into A power theta is equal to, here 1 by 2 already it is the coefficient, and again that second one is also another 1 by 2 is it. By the product of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to, it is a 1 by 4, and again the remaining matrices, 2 matrices, that is a 2 by 2, and it is also 2 by 2. The product of the 2 by 2 by applying 1 by 1, that first row, first column, second row and first column, by doing that multiplication, after the total simplification, we got it here that one of the value is 4 and second value is 0 and the third value is 0 and fourth value it will be 4. And again here that according to the diagonal elements are here clearly 4 values. Therefore, here the pre-multiplication it is a 1 by 4, that is a division by 4, it will be changes, it is a matrix is a 1 0 0 1 is a matrix, and this is nothing but the matrix is clearly showing that is a unit matrix of order 2 is a value. Therefore, conclusion of this one, it is a into A power theta is equal to, clearly by observing it is a unit matrix. Therefore, it is a definition is clearly satisfied. It is a matrix is a unitary matrix. And again next one, we are going to discuss that one other problem, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. Here A is equal to A plus IC minus B plus ID, B plus ID, A minus IC is a unitary matrix if and only if the condition is given A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 1. That means whenever the given condition is a square plus B square plus C square plus D square, with the help of this is a condition, now we want to show that the given matrix is that is a unitary matrix. Therefore, for the purpose of this one, it is a given condition is a matrix is a unitary matrix, and according to the matrix A is a unitary, and we know that the definition of if it is a is a unitary, that is the meaning of a into a power theta is equal to a power theta into a is equal to I is a condition. Based upon this is the definition of the unitary matrices. Now we need to find out first of all what is a power of theta, and already we given the matrix is a. Therefore now we need to find out that is a conjugate of a matrix. The conjugate of a matrix is nothing but same previously we know that the conjugate is nothing but the replacement of the complex value, whether it is plus is equal to minus and minus is equal to plus. Therefore in this given matrices it is a plus IC. Now by applying the conjugate it will be changes to a minus IC, and second one it is a minus b plus ID changes to minus b minus ID, and third one b plus ID. The b plus ID is nothing but changes to b minus ID, and a minus IC is equal to changes to a plus IC. Therefore from the given matrix A is equal to, by applying the conjugate of a matrix, it will be changes to a minus IC minus b minus ID, b minus ID, a plus IC is a matrix. Now we need to apply once again the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix. Why? Because we require that a power of theta. That a power of theta is nothing but, as we know that this is the meaning of the conjugate of a transpose of a matrix. Therefore we already completed the conjugate of a matrix. Now we need to apply what is the transpose of the matrix. Therefore by applying the transpose of the conjugate of a matrix, therefore we got it here. It is a change in the row matrix is equal to column matrix. Similarly the second row is also changed to that column matrix. By applying this one, it is clearly the transpose of the matrix is nothing but it is equal to a minus IC and again b minus ID. This is the condition. And finally the conclusion of here, it is a into a power theta is nothing but a plus IC, a minus IC minus b plus ID, a minus IC minus b plus ID, and again b plus ID, a minus IC, and again after changing like the conjugate of the transpose of matrix, it is nothing but a minus IC minus b minus ID, b minus ID, a plus IC. The product of a into a plus a into a power theta, it is changed to, according to the product of the multiplication of the 2 by 2 matrices, it is changed to a square plus b square plus c square plus d square, and again the second element also 0, the third element also 0, the fourth element it is a square plus b square plus c square plus d square. But here the given equation is a condition is given in this problem, whenever if and only if a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is equal to 1 only. Therefore by using this condition, when we are going to replace here a square plus b square plus d square is equal to 1, the matrix is changed to, it will be changes to 1 0 0 1. Therefore this is the clearly satisfied the unitary matrix. Therefore if it is a is equal to a plus IC minus b plus ID, b plus ID, a minus IC is a unitary if and only if a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is equal to 1 is a value. Next one, given the matrix A is equal to 0, 1 plus 2i, minus 1 plus 2i, 0, then we need to show that I minus A into I plus A whole inverse is also unitary matrix. And actually this is also very important to understand here what is required to show that the condition. Therefore here the given matrix is A is equal to clearly 0, 1 plus 2i, minus 1 plus 2i, 0 is the value. Then we need to show that I minus A into I plus A whole inverse is a unitary matrix. First of all, we need to understand what is the definition of the unitary matrix. The definition of the unitary matrix is nothing but it is A into A power theta is equal to I is a matrix. But in this problem, in place of A is equal to, the given matrix is totally I minus A into I plus A whole inverse is a matrix. And if it is a is a unitary, A into A power theta is equal to I. Similarly, for example, if it is a B is also the unitary matrices, similarly we need to show that B into B power theta is equal to I. Similarly, if it is a into B is also unitary, based upon this definition, AB into AB of whole power theta is equal to I is a matrix. And similarly this concept, but we need to show that it is a total matrix is a unitary. Therefore this matrix is totally, if it is assumption that is a B, therefore we need to show that B is a unitary matrix. Therefore, according to the definition of the B is unitary, now we need to show that B into B power theta is equal to I. And before going to discuss, this is the verification of B into B power theta is equal to I, we need to find out what is the value of, first of all, B is the value. And B is nothing but it is I minus A into I plus A whole inverse. And here given matrix is only simply A is the matrix, and in this equation we need to understand what is the meaning of I. And as we know that I is nothing but that is a unit matrix, the corresponding the given matrix order. But the given matrix order is a 2 by 2. Here also you need to consider that I is also that corresponding unit matrix of order 2. That is nothing but 2 by 2 is a unit matrix order, that is consider 1 0 0 1 minus I is equal to the given matrix 0 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus 2i 0 is a matrix. And here with the help of that I, with the help of given the matrix A, we need to find out what is the I minus A. And according to the subtraction of the two matrices, by applying 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus of 1 plus 2i is equal to minus 1 minus 2i, and 0 minus 1 of minus plus 2i is equal to 1 minus 2i. Minus 0 is nothing but it is equal to 1 minus 0 is nothing but it is a 1 value. Therefore, I minus A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i, 1 is the value. Next, coming to point, we need to find out what is the similarly I plus A whole inverse. And before going to find that I plus A whole inverse, we need to find out what is the value of I plus A is a value. As we know that, similarly, just we consider I is nothing but 2 by 2 unit matrix 1 0 0 1 plus A is nothing but 0 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus 2i, 1 is a value. And again similarly, I plus A is nothing but it is actually 0. And again I plus A is nothing but 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus of 1 plus 2a is equal to 1 plus 2i, and 0 plus of minus of plus 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 is the value. Therefore, it is clearly I plus A is equal to, we completed here 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus 2i, 1 is the value, and previously we completed I minus A also. Now we need to find out that actually I plus A whole inverse. That I plus A whole inverse is nothing but we completed I plus A. On this I plus A, we need to find out what is the inverse of the matrix. And according to, we know that if it is a matrix R, A comma B comma C and also D, and if it is a 2 by 2 matrices, if it is a given this is the matrix is A, and according to the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix is nothing but we know that that is 1 by that is AD minus BC, that 2 by 2 matrix is changed to D A minus B minus C. And with the help of this is the inverse of the matrices, while we are going to replace here, it is a 1 by AD minus BC. That AD minus BC is nothing but 1 minus of, this is according to that 1 by 1 that is a BC. After that simplification, you may get it is a 1 by 6 is a value. And instead of the bracket, it will be changes something D to A, that is there is no change. It will be changed, that is a value is a 1 to as it is that 1. And minus B is nothing but it is a value of minus 1 to A, and again is equal to 1 minus 2a is a value. Why? Because this is it is a minus b, it is a plus b. By applying the negative, it is a minus 1 minus 2i. It is also similarly minus c is required. It is a c only. That c is minus c is nothing but 1 minus 2i. Therefore, this is the value of 1 by ad minus bc into d a minus b minus c. And again, after getting this is the 1 plus a whole inverse. Now we need to find out what is the b capital B value. Therefore, the capital B is nothing but whatever we know that completed I plus A and whatever we completed I plus A whole inverse. Now we need to find the product of the I minus A into I plus A whole inverse. And according to the product of the I plus A, I minus A into that is a I minus A into that is a I plus A whole inverse. Therefore, it is a by simplification totally that is a 1 by 6. This is actually this is the B value. Therefore, that is a b over theta is nothing but it is a b is the value of until that means I minus a into I plus a whole inverse. The product of this totally we got it. This is the b is the value. Now we want to show that this is the value of is a unitary matrix. And according to the unitary, we just now we consider it is a b into that is a b power theta is equal to I. Just now we completed b is a value of it is equal to 1 by 6 into the value of 1 minus 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i, 1 is a value, and with the help of that b conjugate is also nothing but it is equal to change it. Actually, it is only that previous value. The product of this is the b power theta is equal to, this is the value is 1 by 6 into that is a minus 4 minus 2 minus 4i, 2 minus 4i minus 4 is actually the b value, and with the help of the b now we want to find out what is the b conjugate. That is nothing but 1 by 6 into minus 4. That replacement of that plus I is equal to minus I, it will be changes to minus 2 plus 4i, and again the second value is also 2 plus 4i is equal to 2 minus 4i and minus 4, and again that conjugate once again we need to applying the b conjugate transpose. Therefore 1 by 6 into minus 4 minus 2, that is a transpose is nothing but interchange the rows and column. It is a minus 4 minus 2 plus 4i change it to minus 4, and again the first column it is a minus 2 plus 4i. The second row by applying the transpose it will be changes to 2 plus 4i minus 4 is a value. Therefore this is the b value, this is the b value. Therefore we need to find out what is the b into b power theta is equal to I. Therefore according to b is this is the matrix, and b power theta is equal to this is the matrix. Therefore with the help of the b into b power theta is equal to that 1 by 6 into already one other it is also b power theta 1 by 6. The product of 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 is 1 by 36, and again by applying the here b minus 4 minus 2 minus 4i, 2 minus 4i minus 4, and again the b power theta is also one other minus 4, 2 plus 4i minus 2 plus 4i minus 4. Then with the help of this is the 2 by 2 2 by 2 matrices, it is changes to it is a minus 4 minus 2i minus 4i, 2 minus 4i minus 4 is a value. Therefore we need to again the product of this 1 by 1, that is 1 by 36 into that is a 36. Actually it is a required, it is a 1 by 36 into that is a minus 4, 2 plus 4i minus 2 plus 4i minus 4. The product of this is a 1 by 36 into the product of this is the b value, and it is a b power theta. According to the 2 by 2 2 by 2 matrix we are getting here 36 0 0 36. Again here the pre-multiplication is a 1 by 36 is given. Therefore 36 after dividing like the 36 into each and every term, that will be changes to 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but clearly satisfied, that is unit matrix of that is order 2. Therefore it is a clearly the conclusion of the matrix is a b into b power theta is a unitary matrix. Therefore here b is equal to already assumption I minus a into I plus a whole inverse. Therefore it is a b is a unitary is nothing but I minus a into I plus a whole inverse is a unitary matrix. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.